Did you reset your Android phone and now you're stuck on the Google verification screen? This is the FRP lock, also known as factory reset protection. Many users on Reddit recommend TFT Unlock Tool as a way to remove Google account verification. But what happens when you try it yourself? Sometimes, TFT Unlock Tool may show errors, fail to detect the device, or simply get stuck without making any progress. So why does TFT Unlock Tool stop working on some Android phones, especially the latest Android 16 devices? And more importantly, what actually works in 2026? First, it's important to understand that TFT Unlock Tool is not necessarily broken. In many cases, it can still work depending on the phone model, Android version, and security patch level. However, Android 16 introduces stronger security protections that can affect FRP bypass methods. For example, newer security patches can block older bypass techniques. Some phone models may no longer be supported, and certain net-based methods may no longer be available. Because of these changes, a method that worked on Android 14 or Android the 15th may fail on newer Android 16 devices. So instead of spending hours testing outdated tricks, you may need a more updated solution. DroidKit is a professional Android system repair and unlock tool designed to help users remove FRP locks then regain access to their devices. It supports the latest Android versions. You don't need to manually search for complicated bypass methods or follow confusing tutorials. DroidKit guides you through the entire process step by step. First, download and install DroidKit on your computer. Connect your locked Android phone using a USB cable. Open DroidKit and select the FRP bypass feature. Then follow the instructions shown on the screen. DroidKit will automatically prepare the required files and guide your device through the necessary steps. The entire process is simple and automated, so you don't need to enter complicated commands or look for hidden settings. After the process is completed, your phone will restart. You can now set up your device again and sign in with a new Google account. So, if TFT Unlock Tool is not working on your Android 16 device, don't immediately assume that your phone cannot be unlocked. The result depends on your device model, Android version, and security patch level. DroidKit is worth trying. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which Android model you tested.